Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Seed. In this video, we are going to learn how to build Java with Gradle using GitHub Actions. So let's start. So firstly, we need to create repository for our Java with Gradle project. So let's start. So you can see a new repository. So click on new repository. And here firstly we need to enter our repository name. So here I'm going to enter my repository name Java with Gradle. Then description, so it's optional. If you don't want to add any description, then you can skip this description. Then public or private, so here I'm going to keep my repository public. Then here I'm going to check it to add a readme file, and then click on create repository. So you can see here it's done. Here we have successfully created repository with the name Java with Gradle. Now I'm going to clone my repository. So click on code and copy the HTTPS. And now here I'm going to use git bash. So firstly run the command git clone and paste the HTTPS. So you can say it's cloning into Java with Gradle. So it's done. So go to the C drive and you can see here my project Java with Gradle here, and we have only readme file. Okay, now here I'm going to use these files. So I'm going to copy these files as the Gradle project here. As a simple Gradle project. So I'm going to use these files. Okay, now I'm going to push this code into my repository. So now open git bash and firstly run the command cd and name of our project Java with Gradle. After that run the command git init, then git add dot. Okay, then for commit, so run the command git commit -m and in double quote our add any commit. So I'm going to add first commit, and then now here run the command git push -u origin and name of your branch. So my branch name is May. Okay, so you can say it's done. So let's go to the repository and refresh the page. Okay, you can see we have successfully pushed the code into our repository. So you can see in my repository there is app, build SRC, Gradle wrapper, then list, utilities, Gradle attributes, sorry, git attribute, git ignore, readme.md file, then Gradle view, Gradle.bat, then settings Gradle. So that's the files. Now the next step is we need to go to the actions and here we need to select one repository. Here you can see in suggested for this repository, here is repository with the name Java with Gradle. So let's configure. You can see in description build and test a Java project using a Gradle wrapper script. So I'm going to use this. So click on configure. So you can see the code. So here I'm going to remove these comments. So in comment you can say this is workflow use action that are not certified by GitHub and they are provided a third party are governed by separate terms of service and so on. And this workflow will build a Java project with Gradle and any dependencies to improve the workflow and so on. So now I'm going to remove these comments. Okay. You can see in workflow, firstly name Java CI with Gradle and on push branch. So my branch name is main. So you can see a push on branch and pull request to branch name main. Then permission, then job build and runs on Ubuntu latest. Then in steps you can see a uses actions, then name and with Java version 11, latest version. Then next is build with Gradle. So you can see here, this is our workflow. So now I'm going to click on start commit and then commit a new file. Okay, you can see here in our GitHub workflow, gradle.yaml file. Now let's go to the actions. So you can say it's a create a gradle.yaml file. So let's click on it. So you can see our job build. So click on build. So you can say it's built with Gradle. So wait for a few seconds. It's running. So you can see here there is error in this stage build with Gradle. So you can see error. Gradle script is not executable. At verify is executable script. That means permission denied. Okay. So now we need to set a permission. So what can we do? So firstly, let's go to the code and I'm going to delete this my folder Gradle Java with Gradle first, and now I'm going to clone my repository. So click on code and copy the HTTP and now open git bash. So firstly clear the screen. Let's clone. So run the command git clone and paste the HTTPS. You can see it's cloning. Okay, it's done. So let's go to the our repository here, Java with Gradle, and now you can see here there is new folder GitHub new workflow. Okay, now we need to set permission for Gradle, right? So for that, here we need to run the commands for permission. So you can see the commands. So firstly, we need to run this command git update index chmod equals to plus x Gradle. So let's run the command. Okay, firstly we need to go to our repository. Our repository name is Java hyphen with Gradle and the command. Okay, Then next command git add dot, and next command for commit. So run the command git commit -n and in double quote update, enter any commit. So here I'm going to enter update permission for command. Okay. After that, run the command git push. So you can see here mode change, that means permission. You can see here the changes. So run the command git push code. Okay, it's done. Now go to the repository and refresh the page. And now you can see here the file 41 seconds ago update, right? Now go to the actions. Now you can see here it's update execute permission for Gradle view and it's running. So let's go to this file, then build. Now the status is in progress. Okay. Now you can see here it's running. So wait for a few seconds. You can see here it's done. Build with Gradle. You can see here the job complete. Set up job, then run action, set up JDK 11, then build with Gradle, then post build with Gradle, then post set up JDK 11, then post run actions, and then complete job. So you can see here it's done. Here build. So we go to the repository and you can see here it's done. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.